malungil 2000 mora regular kung Milton in mertial special program la TMC. Ilal tutar o kaya nga ka PVA. Kita mo tanggalya PVA wal ko rahman le daw na sira pandemic. Ang akbatangal tirigal napotokol time Travis Tertildo Sikro Lele revamp para tourism na blurbelo. Kita mo tanggal sa tourism main source ra revenue la blurbelo siral up to par. Ma-understanding nga mo to ra minister ng tumla connect tergid through Australia. Tumla connect tergid mo ra Singapore. Tumla connect tergid mo ra Taipei. We've been connected in mo ra Guam Mauricio Lula. Mambalgula segel channel ra at tourism Merbelao has been connected. Mako takmal mering asuliw. Maningil wasing mering tukado ral pangelu ra adal wasiba mo lira pluma. So far, you're doing a good job. Ako mesra trend ra balul adre al time. At tourism adi kalpayot. Balul adam ne change ra after the economic crisis ra pandemic. Ako te may nasugura effort rin because in the olden days we were so happy about it. Tial struggle ko through niya. Malungil lang mamma so amo may viewers sa kumamar at Belaw, kirin mo matangil kasi, where are we? Magarang ka to strike forward. Kadang-tangat ka na marira PVA ang atyang, kato ay rulog. Magpasal oryo mo, ringit tilagap tol, logreor mong, jaksal, matangil clear, makmulgi tala kato, self-tele retir. Yung itir mo yung malboring yung question na nga, hindi na ato. Malungil 2000 mergumiro ko, yung oryo legor ka, Mr. Rulog.
Alungil tutay or ay do muragam tergal okya kargid do mes chat shorgid malore nga sulem ukam lo sa emel asfama te al magime ko ol tegel urel officer gid ra PBL seral uk la open border sergid na moktogar okya kal maran may to auriol iblam butbok la continue motbok palingon mo segi de pal sok tirgal atake por ay do tirgal managers lo bangge balbol lo ko galureri ngarakit to missionaries giraget tangelo ngora arsel strategic department tirgid gelo met segelo ur ay di serar okya kalmera lurbelaw engel ngarakit to la Miss Chloe Sicliano ge marketing manager officer gid ngaria katari na madal dire ko manager sa state and community department dire ko mo sa elo small again urel at sila community ma urel tra governors regard 16 states matian night market tergit dire ko nangyar terul agad sa po temela Bisiano enguk mo introduce ni tra urel bangel ipor segi de amsurate ale bakung morar agad lo sa de gan urel
No, sí, olvidó una hora con Mr.
Alay malungil tutaw nga kagla ka Shiris Miraget nga oversees the strategic planning department and mainly deal with research and statistics. Mga mo briefly share with you I can tourist arrivals pre, during, post-COVID.
That's nice.
Makita mo 2019 pre-COVID. Total tourist in Merbelao 93,723. During this time, 12 airlines in operations. The following year, 2020, decreased tourists from 93,000 to 18,308. Second time, 11 airlines in operation ding nung nga pandemic start to decrease sa operations. Moving to 2021, little decrease tourists from 18,000 to 5,231. Dimle 2 airlines in operations. China Airlines lulmo April sterile corridor, Taiwan travel bubble, United Airlines dimle once a week. At 2022, sabi ko masasali recovery. May increase sa tourist from 5,000 almost 12,328. Direct din let to airlines in operations, United Airlines, China Airlines. During that time, last year, while may ease restrictions sa baby rabalu, may increase frequency United Airlines and China Airlines. Moving to 2023 al year, at January, may 1,989 ang turista may. February, last almost 2,415. Yeah, last month and March, nilutin mas almost 2,926. Maarangalil okya kargi del nerbela el first 3 months 7,330. Ela kom ladi mal adel wasing laat mantel turista mera abela el ali. Maka kadadi base years occupancy. Airline occupancy was gi-measuring il wasing amal tel tourist occupy gal gingal. Magal first 3 months el year. United Airlines tourist occupy niya 30% regal gingal. At China Airlines 90% regal gingal occupy nga tourist. Ya Air New Guinea 40%. Masada calculator nga kada anticipate nga 34,000 al tourist by the end of this year. So kung makadamo include Ali Palau Air, al marketing mo smoothie rule, at 50% occupancy, anticipate nga 40,000 al year. Hindi mali kayo kita so share nga yung questions sa account.
Yung akti, ere dangarise, dabora. Mawal balik ere, mula sa gabay ito producer.
Mata malungil silse rap oraido. Di mutal do lang klang Chloe Siciliano, yang namo mera kaluri rap PVA. El sel mera yang katamlame sa ups and downs of tourism. Tokorak lang ang godang malungil mera 2018 2019 di say that 2020 mo 2021 went through a pandemic among Gloria tourist. La kadang arsel 2022 mo 2023 nga recovery phase. Dira kal mo adu nga marketing department at chinin matibay tirge mal elimos kra tora design, graphics, photography, Photoshop, Canva, masel masagel file nga PVA page ka man tirge kita ka marulay gayid. Di so kal di amateur tira work ethic tir belakanang real loriore dira kal passionate to lorula. Tira mo detail show tira mo Southern Cell experience tira Arcel ADEX el live travel show in Singapore. Mo really talk show tira mo smoothie say. Hot din so kalo ay segelem ne tokobet sel Uriol giblam ru 2018 el mermael ang. Sara ko tolo mo 2018 nakorano umdangale oseng la PVL gira la torak lakang gotang. Hot ang diversification of tourism in a sustainable way. To ongerung yang makarado ng sira state diversity or remula product 30 dira ko ng sira adra bulu sa makarado ng gel kaya kal merbela al me mal al bakle ako experience ako model activity dira kal sil experience ato ka syukang beyond the museum agal moratagi and other activities mawala gi release sa gidale ali pass program el malas mel mga walwe Malisi atora klubela maklibela o direct master opportunity our tourist who experience sel moral belaw sel luul mga the pristine paradise so rera 2018 and 2019 na uluro la bangela del state and community department at sel office sa mamel harsel tora marketing rula content creation rula video mala shasing malas mel strategy so mas makaradol or other experience I got tour later 2019 ang nos amel submit ra Pata Gold Award then ilusel mo del for experience IRL nga category ra community based tourism ya 2020 mo 2021 nakadangar temela pandemic among strategy ko Marcel was let's improve our services. How do we improve tel visitor experience? Mong nga beautification projects, cleanups. Then nos amal facilitate the Taiwan travel bubble. Yung sa Bureau of Tourism Marcel Safe for You certification program. Yet 2022 kadang Marcel recovery phase mga Palau International Tourism Ambassadors Program. Sige del 2022 yung kadang mga wasan din na imol airline na subor sige del time. Ito mas sige key markets sige del Shapal, Taiwan, Korea, the Asian markets. Ito kora travel restrictions still in place. Ito more conservative and they have less vacation days compared to Marigel. El sumat to Merbelaw girin test yang quarantine mga song sa sige del vacation time Merbelaw. Mangulgiw sige dagim not makaroguya was okay hala the strategize at the target ram Rigel. Le one kot ang dakal madakta COVID ang irong at sige next del destination el warngi let sa travel after 2 years el del quarantine ang ide at based na data gid ang long stayers the Kerbelan makaterta. Sige del January to April agi ulus per other belal kira belal kira Miguel el more sige del International Tourism Ambassadors Program kama handle logistics everything to do with the trade shows kama handle contractors and so forth stipend their tit gi nos amel ngortitira other more Washington DC Travel and Adventure Show, Chicago Travel and Adventure Show, Denver Travel and Adventure Show. And this all shout out to Mortigal International Tourism Ambassadors, Miss Ipon Ringang, Mr. Oriol Daniel, Takla Ambassador Kyoto, Tester Yalap, Muriel Tomol, Lukyota, Tyler Yalap, Chinis Pasun, Chantele, Dahilia Ilbalas, Miranda Ismaili, Inaria Tiak, Hilaria Davis, Violet Mirabiang, Thomas Abraham. Orman of Sal, every say adul mes ramrigal alqam na is a travel restrictions siringi emle lower cases of COVID magi wase okay halagi buratele scuba show signature show at PVA diving show at Long Beach California luguk target are divers magi milmon travel shows low I still wase belam na open. Here's how do you get to Palau and the steps you need to take to visit Palau. Vaccination marohoy. Madadira kalmina nga sula tele administration ilal time il focus ra meetings and conferences illicit tara rolela recovery one trend ilal time il mais meetings incentives conferences and exhibitions baka naman namin sa protocol meetings and conferences erbelaw since last year mel ang paulan dire kal all nga sira visitor arrivals ilal time at 2022 mo 2023 kada dire kal Umlani State Attraction Assessment, the leading state and community department, marketing and programs, strategic planning department, supporting bodies, will help recommend based on markets, consumer behaviors, what activities are suitable for each state. Magiri assessment, recommendations, not mga governors. Magim lamrekar sa del project. Major projects al time will gimoru la update ra website also mo na pristineparadigmspalaw.com yung aning sele beyond the dive activities kaya kita ko ra bibira kayaking traditional sailing digmal ti ka to kay mal insert malso mga mensasyo para kalda kal artist please contact ra ma'am office kanya TV malubang ka direct kalangan nga updating na map elangan nga sel clone map ngari elal ngara office ka ma'am di ko ma one project ka ma'am update ring etel project loro nga chinin direct kalmal ko ra titwa kal project ling hand drawn direct kal tara project revisit tara brand po ka ma'am direct kal prepare for an upcoming familiarization tour look at our efforts to target the Australian market. There are tourism industry partners, el host Australian influencers. There are prepare guerrilla roadshow possibly in Australia this July. There are Taipei travel exhibition and May and May. tingul mo rin sige de, may mga questions na ako.
Ya, kaman sa uli. Kutit question na ako kasi. Si Emil breakdown na tourism merbelo. Pero ala ka doon, mention yun si. Diversity is the name of the game. Ma'am ko wise ro si tetela atra siya wala name. So mga rin sige Asians, Americans, Europeans, and Australians.
Asumo ko to Israel at 2023 ang 7,300 tourist namin the first 3 months. Yeah, leading market arrivals at Taiwan represent 2,672. Ang Universidad mo USA, Canada, 2,029. Ogi wala la Europe, 602. I mean, Shaba, 926. Mo yung others, sell others, at tirigal market, tirigal mo, tirigal fall into that one. Tirigal others, ngara may, ngara pa, including Australia, 700. 62 Esina 174. Like I said, still occupancy represent 90% okay kalmea fill up persegi del skogi. United Airlines di 30% usually tiga nga wakpa malmay Manila. Chlorgi at residents mar employment
Nga minsa advertisement ng umiumal ako na seminar na rin ginagawa in regards to military. Nga ako na stats sigire military tourism.
May say, till ay kita mandir ka gimawyo rin ilo bangela obisara OPS tumo giri reconstructed tel database classification table ra airlines most standard the international airline code le al time takas amel sort out kay gid military may usually tukulasing either government malubong business to the email say categorize and say magim na bring up mora tinigal constructed tel database mo sa amel provider say gid military only say gid July 2021 awal tigat temel COVID ang maniklo military mail serial exercises sara ang ayaw mabililong medical help para tourism.
But I think military merbela at this time they are tourist. They are mabuti to government employees.
No, they are considered tourist. Let the May sumung less than 30 days. At the tourist. Let the May spend.
Ngarnia para sila government pero before COVID. Jackson Medicine para seeing the statement they prefer quality more than quantity. Ito ang isang statement. Kita ka doon natin. Siya kumurul ginila kada stick to quality, quantity. Are we sticking to alam mo mesel ka advertisement we're all over the world paluil to koy. Hindi kita promote ngilo ba quality, kita promote ngilo ba quantity. Siya major statement ng national government. FCC sila reach 150,000 tourism. Yung government bela may revolt pa. If I mistake. Tiro the statement tilo was Obama prefer quality more than quantity. Kita pushed back because of the world pandemic. We're reviving again. Focus more on quality at focus more on quantity. That's you're the best person to do that. You've been there for 5 years.
Elang ngani sel to mo kadon ilwa se high value tourism ngani adal ko mo confused sel high end high value tourism is what we're targeting. Sel dom sagel data rigi the tirgale consider the high value tourist the tirgal all repeat customers in Merbelao direct Merbelao mo at so if you look at the data in the US market mashabal ulam merklo efforts sa kamel nga namrigel adira kal malas malar tilmay adira kal nga shabal adira tige one at key market Merbelao ang nga ko additional so ata
Semi helper team
Sulang ora itu secret tina. Segi del bladuri la focus segi de ora itu ngara segi del high value. Nga ka omram segal lalolgo tanga ka president tergit ma tiga ba minister Victor Mlato de mamsadra conservation efforts ma segit sel umdasun ayagi de lot trule megal doru toy amo geared toward the high value. Sel high value ako nga opinion na high value adan may emerald experience ra belaw ngania impact ringil mora local economy ma local communities eng maran mo sabel may more sel program rigid rai kel gimoro ringil ay tour mang possible experience sa culture oy tia se seludo de more sel community ngaring gel ato bukbel di mel di son bro alba medi dai ano mora jellyfish lake emerald to me kita important and I believe pela again product terba da diversify mal di balut kira sige high value ado mesrel ang tial covid amits kita te andel me assess gider blue misingara mal so direction le dru morima watan okya kami gitya lo mes series as and share stats kanya numbers and diesel domes aquí diría que el maral modo tour companies tigal libo boards example product Taiwan pre-COVID tika serbet di beach jellyfish rock island elas tesera route open mo bol mo ma China Airlines at flan me maturity tir ngara libo board tanamo ko into diving tiang dingin na shift characteristics ra okya gargit obis sergit overall banggela government matur ka tourism industry Palau Chamber of Commerce losi krolen mis ngara ngit product and mortri gidla ya obis sergit narmula na overall mortri about 8 states ngartel ali pass program ri lagi dire ko overall banggela minister patur tilgal adara BOT ma historical preservation office dire ko motbok legal cultural site to me the end goal diversify product tergit el mulut persegid el high value el rogul adre el babla open blue they're high value people terga osiga best destinations and more and Palau I believe is one of the safest destination and more terga
baru gile Mr. Rulu di last question na nga kung to vertical I think we will go back and forth. Are we ready occupancy wise abelaw ma hotel silingi mga tela nga si edel rich silingi tourism ade at di sila room may di sila kumesra almugok la Singapore may mar adra Taiwan they're not in line they have their own route si tal si expect nga 500 tal bemtenga na isla or a week or mo selling once upon a time another government magim na promote ra tourism ra Blue Sina but the story tok muna ko we can fly 500 person every day are you ready the answer ato to nilo we were not ready pero question na could ready al suguma occupancy ra Australian route almost 70% occupancy ra United almost 70% occupancy Singapore mo are we ready? That's the statistics. Ma'am, I'm doing promoting so it's nice. Are we ready? Are they going to receive the very same treatment you are selling across the world?
My story mo share was after post-COVID, like you go through hotels and Malawon numbers. As of now, we have about 1,900 rooms available. Edira ka ngaringi hotels and lobot or in all times. So I can say that we are ready to receive tourists. Set up pre-pandemic, we had the same amount of rooms and we receive over almost 160,000 tourists. Di by gire that we're ready in terms of our products. Sige.
That's very good. Jensen worked in
Pero what the at to say right start sa series sila 2014-2015. Ulo ko ram lori sila ko ram lobre gergit. Tilo ta to government se med reduced by 50%. At the time nga ka umram segel infrastructure. Sector infrastructure a sewer system rigid dimlakal upgraded. Dimlakal bolto ora be bilo hotel. El al time na mo brek tel kias tel project la PPUC na mo ngila sewer system rigid. Egagi de gal besel hotel or yegal hotel bel mention series blood renovate room 13 add up room 13 tawa room 9 circuit kita temela covid 3 years and don't bok gira opening mga kasi we were ready in 2020 block law renal officer gidin wala lang gila industrial retail safe for you certified over 300 businesses and almir terkal okay. So I know we've been ready.
You guys are good. Kung sulang lang, alta kung ko rompas ruasit, kaya this is probably the most important part ng Alamela at this time. Kira Marine Sanctuary, kira na-declare gid pristine paradise. Sindur mo, as an Alamela, so you are ready, we are ready. You've been doing it for the last 5 years. Makmere nga sulil terong malgora. May try to pick on you and you have the answer. Kaya kung kasi siya marketing. So kung mo true lungil, kita expect raw ng result. Makmere nga sulil kita mlorsen malbaro and you have worked tirelessly to bring us back. So this is a good news. Kung das yung importante, omlailing, Palau is expecting more than what we can offer. Hindi limrurira every day I'm going to take a pause, a break. Itilgang malblak at tilimis mungkin ko walong uli. There's another group PVA ngatiang. So we have to give them a break. Kung titilsil another setra another PVA may maklimutul. Let's continue the questions and probably kita masak lumuli already last 2.5 years. And then we can always focus forward. All right, let's take a break.
Ela agi gut baklaw ela aro gil balula aga mamadang libelaw gil mutal spesial gil mutal long saaw ela aro gil balula aga mamadang libelaw rama maradi qaw ararwe godawi bi qasayla bol taramu de ghaib sel though there see abela mul morba
Kadalmutan mo malmol martial mal importante interesting talk show agra PVA el angguk ngari tigel bebira rangal gara PVA guk mo da angar lir kung ba siya kada realize sa tiyak lo lurior kada mura cleanliness rablu which means cleanliness is next to godliness yung mura social character rablu mong masubira adalamet hapil mitrigit yung mura tial beluat mar turist rablu bela kita minsanggal misiano lulu ay sa igil lurura promotional material or ma-clean up mga and they fall into this group of people. Magumdas wa more detail dobal mo so isbra tel tora PVA ay mo understand ni ro wa da pero le sum mo understand ni mo part ni o part ni criminal belaw ro I think siya siya urela PVA trial or nga siya gid ro ko mo understand the detail nga dalit le nga sum ketika part ni yang it is the whole problem di nga kana mo klulad uli mga club all sleep out of my mind ako start with you or introduce ka ego mele representation ka introduce yung kay She been here once, twice, maybe tigatero. We're so happy to have you on board.
Mada malu tutar por ahí tungi. Tugu bet selu tutar more adel. La mesa que talk show. Ya wero bumule dik introduce nga nga kan klega TV yung alibang. For your Palau Visitors Authority Digital Marketing Representative. Ya kama makuk mom sauder tial trip programal nora Singapore. Tem langira March 29 mo April 5. Ya mokter tial trip or purpose of the trip pamlol mo participator sa igidele Singapore ADEX. ADEX short for Asia Dive Expo, and it is one of the largest dive expo in Asia, and it attracts a lot of dive experts, enthusiasts, and professionals all around the world. And they come together more tagdal expo share their knowledge, their experience, so tiawal wala marklol opportunity Gidar other velaw among promoter velaw showcase ay gal dive destination sergid ma tour packages sergid offer. Tial Dive Expo is a 3-day event. It occurred on March 29 to April 2, Friday to Sunday. Emlarnya 126 el bulan Arcel Expo belam le one ring. Usually a gal dive show segi invite our tour agencies or operators el lawang gamam el mong. For this Singapore ADEX, ang larnya tigal me first el register am le Fish and Fins sa Sam's Tours sa Four Seasons. Tira direct lul maser gamam book promote tigal tour packages of tir tel below. Gim le print tayo gidel 1,000 copies ra igang. Tawara the general brochure. Saw their below how to go to Palau, get requirements, make a dive destinations and get the offer.
Available everywhere.
Yes.
Makapirigida PVA or S480.
Yes. Yamle 1,000 copies. Selbol Rectel Expo le 400 tagi molap, so we can save mong 600 visitors able to reach out their tier. Most target questions are selber abu de target mo ngarge belaw, tatawag mo ngarge belaw or makarada war belaw, ngaral tour packages sa offer. Katawa ay sertik mo belaw southeast Philippines, south Guam, it's the westernmost part of Micronesia. There are, as of now, nga 2 options in over belaw sa mga Singapore, sa imlogiwa Los Pera United Airlines, o giwa Manila, Philippines, mer belaw. Silwan ako China Airlines, silmura Taipei, Taipei mer belaw. So overall, TLADEX was a very successful event. And we were able to connect with different agencies and meet with different individuals who are interested in visiting Palau. So makti mo ulaw le message nin manguk small the gel bebil meetings kamamamle attend during the 6-day journey at Singapore.
Kamal sulang kami to di audio le por.
Okay, so I'm going to say Sankler Action Interview, the marketing representative of PVA. And we saw at honor sale trip program para Singapore. So we had the opportunity to meet with our travel agents, organizations, Aptara University of Singapore, and startup companies. So to start, nanya meeting kami with NATAS. NATAS stands for National Association of Travel Agencies of Singapore. They represent majority of the travel agent community of Singapore, and biannually they organize 2 of Singapore's largest travel fair consumers. That draws up to 100,000 visitors during these fairs. So with these connections with the NATAS group, we also wanted to inform them regarding the Ali Palau Airlines and its inaugural flight at June of this year. We also had the opportunity to meet with Singapore Management University, one of Asia's premier research universities that focuses on world-class research, innovative teaching. With them, startup companies that we met, and several startup companies that focus their sustainability and innovation. So, that example was Alterpax. Alterpax focuses on upcycling food waste and loss and turning it into packaging materials. So, food waste agricultural grains and transforming it into eco-containers, biopellets, in order to reduce plastic consumption. So with that, agal containers are very useful. They can withstand the
solid and wet foods. They can be microwaved, ngara freezer. They're FDA certified and can be reused up to 2 to 3 times. Another startup, Simply Good. El atira focus ra sustainable home care solutions, home care cleaning solutions. So I got cleaning tablets that you can add to, let's say, plastic water bottles, plastic spray bottles, sablin. Add the tablets, add water, and it's good to go. You're good to clean. And they're made from natural cleaning agents, and their product line is very diverse, from all-purpose to glass and windows. And then the 2 other companies that we met was Handy Prints, Magwini Web. Our focus on digital platforms and sustainable resource management. And with these interactions, PVA intends to connect tagal startup companies and more businesses sa Palau to the Chamber of Commerce and get them connected to wholesalers that focus on eco-friendly and sustainable products. One of the startup companies, Alterpax, one of their founders intends on visiting Palau and meeting with wholesalers as well. And then meetings with individual tour agents, UOB Travels, Dynasty Travel, Triple Utopia, in order to connect and get them started on marketing and get them introduced to Palau. We also have opportunity to meet the media personnel, creatives at work, where we were able to set up an interview to promote Palau as a destination. And lastly, we were able to meet our other urban planning and urban design, Maro Architects, to discuss more on urban planning and how it corresponds to Palau.
Ya kamal sulang dahil din naman min mo rin game, bolmer nga lang yung question na kaya.
Lalu ilsil se oray dung nga clear gate nga ka umra arsel State and Community Department sel book ulong se ora atara belura ngarbelaw atabelaw ilgire lato ko era promotion ra tourism dire kal agewro laban tra state el malas malwaseng ra akuk sab edel moswira state el gutmok laigel dadula seng tourist site tertir al mosab el tara oso al malubeng tara pasyol lamer okyar gid tamo mes mang kora biso kal long sperte gid el time bay kuko ay saigel kora maral mel activities amang klugol niya ongi meluria ngarngi sel dadula seng annual green fair etiang amlamo o over 10 years el program el annual program officer gidara Palau Visitors Authority mokte ka kada urio lobanggela tial klol gamitira artel kora promote ra to kora green and healthy environment maklugo ke segi del green fair ngaring erngura etiu klora 2 taon mo edel klora afternoon no sa amal mo sa Babiel Moraigel hardware store sa mga mersegi del erngule mo trawa aklagadal ra to kora wa sir sa market patingel aklagadal ngaramal malbeyo taaral letamo ngaring klol discount el bol baskida ra igel stawang o sisilta men direct kal morisel contest plan contest etiab part ra green fair abekara ngaring sel medicinal ornamental category morsel medicinal sausabia morsel ornamental sis ngidil season al dalom la igal kuksis rangot belum mabela sel mortegi del contest ang direct kal ngaring gi partner up lo bangela igel al bek patingela agency ko ra ngartial kamitira earthay mangaring mo mercury testing ra kluguk madirek kal adara Koro State solid waste management nga mo ngarsel ngarngay services mga product tel bolol traw ar adara hospital mar adara fisheries mar adara environment Bureau of Environment PNCC ako ngarngay in mo ngarngay tablir sel all ta services ra kumbali madirek kal darstal adal mo ultraw otrulir ngaring agim git maklil tom ko tong nila seng upcycle booth ay ga tirigel adal ngarbelal kora smi ga igel itel klalo malmer mun mo ngila quality ringin mo su edel taraw segi dia ko ratara ab selgim mulda kera program el alir mo moring segi del pudam maring ya pek pating la klalo wa ulang tong le tum la malmer mulel mo magagaral bra ka ma pek pating la product segi dia ko ratara moring la klugo direct kal ngaring raffle drawing throughout the whole day malungi la prices ble donate direct kal sponsors from hardware stores and mapabira company tirablo or partners sa mamra kay gidel event ara Taiwan Technical Mission direct kal PCCRE mangmoring ya abu tira mo share kal information ma services el tira provided mo public saya ako kora mo tele la program regidra erong raklugo and then ang latya project ki mo ringi ram la mo maregalero rak etya mo kadong ringi wasing COVID-19 response for affected poor and vulnerable groups mukte kara project malas mlol ngosera aldobe el maraat tial no mereka COVID te patukuk malas no sila sing rasa etel kuk masutri ringi tukuk kom karo klarwato ay rasers manglo tiang amlos bel makatmo klogi wange sura Japan Fund for Poverty Reduction Ireland Trust Fund ma ADB ya PVA obviously kita PVA ma agriculture ma PCCRE ma Taiwan Technical trige awablol implementing agency mo ungra al mga mo program mang aigal mo mereka lerura kay gimlo so amal ko ra meeting and then may umura project may mutel al sils taluy al dobera umsin dal bulura babal tabam lang usel to makadong nila sing seed grant al maraigal al dobera reveal tam last start talo mo magtuba to ko rasers hindi ka multi focus ra to ko era tatay focus ra nga suwas kukaw le mukte ka katamla start tulong ka to ora processing center mukte ka cancer sa mo sigilar ma asset produce ate ela kukan mortal center kat mo mrula baby na product tel American ko na el alta yung mara laudio ra center gi da kata kora nasula sing la angara ba dula next month nga mo mara ka center mel anding ngarnge gel adabe el team lama ma gel nya so mang tamla start tulong karo lada ito mang mlamo gira dal harvest ma klugol direct clientele only niya project manager tay program amor erumulo o trege gidal ela ko tigil alpe alam la harvest mang malmol ma project until lang mo mereka processing center ang ESA processing center tel program ang ang ESA bitar agriculture ya aldabe ela ko mo sob el harvest kukungir malmora processing center ya center armul mo o product telu American ko en marwa ice cream mangaral babet patingala product tel luguk mo sa adalguk may ultral mortirakal al vendor ma business sa blur bela los pe American ko murular wataro bread ma baby ra direct pet patingala product mang ngobangel sel al processing center ya PVA ngar alel sige del processing center ma direct al sel ko ramo ke krel gift shop el bolso el bol ikay del product tra processing center amora gift shop ya kora sel do kora ka mga losenge del kirela to kora marketing en mo sabi ela sige del mo tra router ar okya malngar nga turul mo rababanta beng tumo tu akar sige des il visit tra processing center amora gift shop mata tamara kuk magkekarel souvenir tira gift shop saya ko kora update el girel sige del COVID response for affected and poor vulnerable group project nga kakukmalmol morsel alipas program adulmu ringira at 2018 yung kuramle start tulong laban tirar governor sa 2018 emlo sab ela blurayra el governor sa amlo laban kay governor blurayra yung kongel kuramo pilot project tel alipas magyul mo ram blurayra lon tira o mga maklelaygel el kaldel site el ngiyam lo sab edel gut maklil mo anal dula sem product tra blurayra mga nga bayra ruba ka ma atas ram ore ma kabegala mangwabla mo takat maklin mo al tour maselemer okya karelang ito mo tour ada saram ore ma kabe kale uraba and then lo sa amlo lo bantri raigel kalol mal aldo be rardi rablu rairai tirigay dawa bol take turn el cater akal al mortial al tour mangulmo ora 2018 nagi ko ramle pilot project temlara trial o miring lo bantri ma training agi blem offer ma direct kal state agi amlo civil asan ra angal kaidal ni motor kay dray kay gidal basyo man say gidal taray 2019 nek mamamran le launch tay gidal alipas project lo bangela iray state mar maas maruba kara arang aray bang dolong lel say gidal 2019 al mercer adam asimra asmre dara 20 covid ya state ray maruba kara mar maas ray amla koro karingi akme del 88,000 say although del kirkaringi rar okyak mang suat del guk malmol martial project in muraigal baby ra state tra blur belaw mang aring ilat tirigel guk mlame soy martial alipas ang aring ang SR malgayok ngarar para along balilyong mga ayangan magi continue lo banggelay gay del baby ra blur guk malas singra sel guk malgora unique malubang guk ngoda el product del sedal gut makli ang mo made el product del state ang mamalmon mo uro lo bantri el promote mga susirar okya ka mangudo del mora state mar other community ay gida ko kora dimleswa kal update del gidel tial to kora del department tra state and community al nga nga kere
yang mal interesting review lang adir gamlo on board that's when it's a continuation of plans. Kaya nga question na kali ko tawas. Si experience ko na Singapore. Personal experience o misra adra Singapore na kita very next door neighbor mo na bibiro ngil bulura. Philippine nga islander ngil almost islander. Di kakarusir gid metir kat adra mo bulug tira adra mo. Kakarusa mindset gid. Umumda social bulur ni are we attractive enough?
I believe we are.
Based on your you have a first experience on hand, interesting issue. Umumda sul tirang timisa sil domes ni, then we feel we're living in a paradise. Umumda sa komul truly.
Wait, signal to. Talang malap to car visitors sa melo get mo. Makarada por velo. Bigay septic mo tida idel tool airlines sa imlo girin mo velo and they're really interested like idel type destinations and like idel brochures or kamam. But got tour packages magi refer to more wa fishing fins tiga idel tour operators and bong kamam 4 seasons sa Sam's tours.
Yang kalau la question na ko mura. Kita sangat to ko tourism. Ma ko mesir gumi mar murtering di sel when you look back etikal adal the promoter belaun metir adra model dulu. Kad magara attract ra locals before and dim bena fish and fins ra branches. Ma Mr. Episong. For some other reasons, tourism it's a foreign object to us, to me. Because they focus more revenue. They trigger other tira a face tourism. For example, kada mo mention egal budol blo visit. You know, trigger maybe hindi madamiwam na material na gawin. Hindi tirgal adal tira mo siya baylo bangkel tiyan PVA enterprise abla de timil mora yoba ako ni person kumagarang attract other belong so they go do the business then to meet the most social operator nga tour guide how can they jump in and grab this business then I'm just saying also kumura Kumira blima ma gimli invite ka ulmi o met di ili na mo ulan sul berka ka mama baru lagi boru And attractive. Hindi. Ako I want to go a little bit deeper. Isa ka opinion mo. How do you get there? Kung mas yung important, how do you get there? It probably have nothing to do with your business, but it has a lot to do with what you think. Kung makararulate yan mo. Let me just continue. Nagpumesan ka, magaw, kung man proud road, kung makararulate, mo proud to see the other side of this coin. Most of Maria, nga kamle, o lela other tourist. He died for that business. Diyo siya kanto ulele. He have a smiling face at the end of the day. Sige, kung makarako ko, true. Rato lang ulit. Para niya.
So from
Hindi ako
my
It's a beautiful opinion.
Yeah.
so from my perspective, I've been at PVA for almost 2 years now. I think working at PVA, the job itself, it enriched my knowledge about Palau.
Exactly.
I got to see a Palau that I've never seen before working at PVA. And I think if you take that to our other tour companies, my travel agencies, it's about shifting the mindset to remind them why we're doing this in the first place. So they feel proud to promote Palau as a local Palawan themselves.
See, I picked the right point. You know, I'm para ako rin sinigay. And si automatic part ra PVA, di firma other Palau. Di firma masra sales, di firma karba itabori. You know, that's tirigay obo mo mes tirigay ngaram sin mas. Di mo forced to moram say. They love to do it. Sila obo na tirigay malas itabori. Hindi tuta tumagi sila mil go hi mo itabori tinan tumanas. That's sige the mindset I really wanted to hear it from you. Hindi ko that's the main point. Kung makarangin mo understand dal was it tialo trulek abral accepting nga other Palau may tourist. What you promoted is what they receive. Sige the key point. Kemarin nga suli ultede lang nga puntas you work together with the Mesiano. Adi imol silubira kakaril ada I just wanted to relay it to you. Silim kakaril ada darula to boy. Ang mga toos nga. You will be there for probably the next 20 years. When siya malan marin ilang mo brit marigisi gits. Let's hope you reap the fruits you're planting today. Kung masaul, yung nga kaswakan mo taga-post, mo mudura maredetiga nga. You may give us a break. del mundo el malmol mertial importante interesting lo de suir adra PVA el promoter tourism mera blur belau tumna wai sir kita get rogul stats ma o singir ma ndi nga ka I'm going to ask you the very same question that asked Rina last time kamagrang is change ra mindset ra ay gal business mar adra belau mo interested in mamrur tialuri or with a smiling face. I've heard a couple others. So man said, you've been here for probably the longest. Kamu uti o sige na sa kumakarang one day, isil bom plum as bom dangokla. Ikaw mission nga si oh I did that. Even though they're paying you to do it, it'll be your life. That is my life. That's the answer I wanted to have from you. Kumakarang the diverted society to accept that we are living in a sanctuary. People should promote it to the best.
Okay, hindi so kala din makot address sige dali or give more insight to sige dali ADEX.
We have all the time on earth.
Matele trade show. Sa ngaramang di atrang hotel guluwang arse or ngaramang di particular businesses ang arse. So salgi mga decide agad trade show salgi borngi also mga opportunity for extra space. Agi designer tel booth, it was okay nga for available space. So how did contact our tourism industry partners? We send the email, that's the fastest way to connect with them. And just to be fair, was the first come first serve basis. Ultigay del nurse wa fish and feeds, tumne receive information as okay so mamel mo. Direkal tanga we're visual learners, and so there's other bela will marura toy and so the direct mamrur sige de susil toy sel experience I write for example sel turay may na mering ka man convince sa other blue was tiang mil the tamoklong yoliw pepera state tadim nakal sal interested di sige daragi sa pepera state tele satel product tel giblam relieve lunch and that's when our other must start talong ko was oh sa kama direkal sa amaluli tiang. Man alasan mo sa bulwa remortal gira la ecotourism, mga tourism plans iti. So I think it just starts with finding someone that interested in mother learning. Yeah, ada mas okay nga kasi akan mga.
Wow, you're so smart. Well, akti pigra brainer kauling. Gureng stiri other partner in. Imo so ispan mo ultra they probably have investors somewhere to help them do it. Di mo lang start from the scratch. They walk in one day, they just put the fish and fins. They go in one day, they just put other tourism. Adra abelaw magkakarilad wamok lumiw. Omom gaswen subiedel convince ra policy maker so that I can go to Bank Pacific or Bank of Palau Bank. A loan at 200,000 so I can have a boat, I can have tour agencies and everything. Is that visible in your face, in your plans, or kada manamon material will grab this beautiful business? That's what I'm getting at. You don't need to follow the instructions. You just use your brain. I need to hear your brain.
No, I think government Belau have provided all the opportunities that they can. Sa voters during pre-COVID, COVID, at the lawmakers, sige, the banggal, loan. I know the voters loan. During the pandemic, Sharice and Heather sige, the pandemic re-employment program, worked closely with their voters. Imilas set up our tour guide potentials. Literal voters and normally hindi ka tour guide and that's important. Maging na set up schedule of literal potential adults and tour guide. Malas malol nga certain improve a visitor experience for an independent boat operator. Asal mo man sa website ta may gidirect slowly but surely gimalagay independent boat operator information and then gimalas move to on our at el Friday gim na reach out to mora Eric Farine and hindi ka content ta mo gimo la abra website so unsa man help promote training so gimo nga message and then information yung ilo how does a person book, how does a tourist book, and all the other information sa tuling kita ko rangal sa kasamre lang taka mal information na tours ra boaters at dira ko pa yung issue til was if o attack price ang man mo competitive rate so malmal malora na ter boaters independent boat operators mga tourism industry partners and malas promote not just the destination but their services.
Yeah, that's a smart way to do it. Colorul gilid. Okay. Ngaro siyempre. I'm going to ask the very same question to all three of you.
Ako kumray to ya wase so ko kaadal pelaw kaya nga is pride raw kasi nga ka proud tala at pelaw so business owner so kalo turtle otulir we have to kaya nga is passion raw mong ay kumya atra business mo kung matangi gel suko ko so dakas MLD
Mo kang practice ra Palau on time.
Giran man lomok kal migi se kasi ngaral opportunity nga ringi ibok da ko ngira tangan melwase lor ko da imam se bong reach out til more about PVA el kama masama le probably business and market it really starts with galak
Ikaw.
Nakakuk way luloy wong giral start ra leng tirigel lekot el other bela lo magitra night market atil ko bang kamel mutel tan ti imol chohaina paskat skat wears itira kay gidra gim ko tel start ra night market ra 2011 tirigay ako tel consistent tel vendors mang hindi kal sa edad dit mo hindi kal sa PL wala nga role la to ko gidel reach out no si ganges ding ako ka experience na kanak ko na Taiwan I gel indigenous tribe mal pus ram gel other startup business ti teneng ngil basril belum mangarnya sulok pagdil mora individual other sumang startup business ni marnya center labor ni emsubo waseng makarangal ipato ka free an opportunity mo free lugaw dal morti at makarakla business mang dia kal so much law na but ang government automatic at least ang initial lugaw dal helper start up ya ka ako start again next branch bomb spread ang maadi ko malara loan o suka ra business
Hindi ako man sila. Kung that's why, Mr. Luluven, you have a team. Very passionate at all over. Ako rin sila gumiyo, I understand the tourism of Bulbelaw. So it all boils down to policies. And at time, probably the most expensive tourism destination is us. Plus, PGST to top everybody. So, tell dreamer tilga, the bar is very high. Even though they love to do it, but if the policy decisions is not up to par, they might quit someday. You know. But tokol ngal la pack and leave because their dreams were not met. There's always a bigger dream across the bay. You know? Nga nga imolo lek lululol hospital, I'm just giving you this. Mle, buira x-ray. And he's probably the best. Tilong tra school level mo x-ray. 6 months later, agwa ma-offer niya 10 times more. You know what I'm saying? Mampagimra. Ulgum tangan nga atra angot ulbulul focus more on tourism. They might hire you guys tomorrow. Because you know what you're doing. Naka, rupa ka mak-understand that tiyal, ring lurol, bla lorur nga ka doon mera, probably the best team ever. Understand ra future bela ulo how we work for. You know? May lang question na kakalaga siya, how do you reach those policy makers? Leng, kumama, this is the second group black. First group black interviewer ni Rati MC el magkakarel at ay hindi ako kumakakarel nga kasi kumakakarel at. So you have a high dreams. Luasya gi makarang gi nga nga give it to me. Akpla mo understand ra di na ka understand ringi. Ya ulgo man na pero mo understand the say gi the sweep. We're living in a paradise. Ya kung das hindi ka sa building mo achieve ringi. Ala ka put the whole package together and gi dia Mr. Director ma, Mr. Minister. Kung makaka-convince ra society, what tirigil nil tara PGST, in 3 months ito true rokoy mo kada. Hindi ka alam na rin siyang umilang bakit. It hits you right in your heart. Makata-complain rokoy, makata-complain it for, pero makata-complain it forwards. Seral promote ra tourism mora. Amen na siya naman, atakar kita. Di ba atakar? We were bombarded by tourism. Ikita mo react big time. Okay, ila ko message ko mo. And you are planning it, taking a step, one step at a time. Mungumil, but are the policy makers working with you people? Siya, come in siya nga kasi ikita lang. Kada maluringi, PGST attack us, military will come in. All these little things should be part of this package.
See.
Kampura.
Mansura la question
Next, all the minutes you want.
Mansura question ra bordo. Yes, policy makers overall bangel officer gidra PVA le. Tial PVA ang board of directors ringi tra board appointed by the president. Akmal ngartem siya board overall bangel president. Idire kal overall bangel other all bill ngani chairman regal both houses ngani senate mga dili house of delegates ngani tigat chairman regal committee of tourism. El dire kal overall ma minister matul. El dire kal minister ex officio member board yang el doru la dire kal direction ra policy makers ma office of president etrige matinge urera me dire kal matinge gal long tumam maul mong mulmon mulungi la urera ngani sige el partnership ra talong la board ma minister ma national government ding maldisakal touch up persegi el issue ra egal question ra kal mortigal mi garela nga kadire kal nga bagay tal akot tal tigel talo ra PBA ana mo telal years gate na mo 17 18 aw 17 August ng amo 18 dir ka katal gumdas el pisa tuta mo di ka tal gumdas mse akna mo say loror tiadure every day di sakal mo eling soksel gidam la kama mangarat egal triple mura trade show egal ngania wati be chinin maklowi sek po magisa adam la merbelaw el butel samaria nga kal other belam sa belam ra lungin mga nang segi darulia aurere kal rulia ngu singire di malmol mertia durur eling tourism maldi dun morsen maltela tourism tianga exchanging and sharing cultures mga truwa kale da mo trule the product egal site cultural site alaba ding maral akpal mula sing teal lang ara blur bela mal to ka real severa other bela mo mura sel especially at tourism industry ung maral di mo yara adal ngaril rarung dolmir al sel rarung se tiapalwa pagi se ko real girel eling arogo amral di ngar al sel blur bela kagamlo mention ra adal tilobdra lurbelal mo sigra Palau dream ngako amram se Palau dream at sila lurbelal you just have to wake up and find it ya obis ra PBA o tungra tokra tourism at a business obis ra PBSL health program marketing and promotion ra otrulem business ra ani SPDC small business development center lo nga ani LT Fritz edire kal ngani tian ministry ra human resource culture tourism and development especially self development ngari aklo rural mararel ang rapor ay dung rural lobentri ra youth pwede ka maka nang maklol at di kumda sa youth ra el alta magire del focus sector malan martigil tol sumsorin mo adra tourist Ngiril mo madim sing ara tourist ngara value o mura o mo tourist. Last start taurior. Anya youth coordinator maral modo tu igat school. Dire kal anya mentoring program sa boloru. Kung sa summer agil amutel mo tangat agi mo rila summer camp. Mol si sakla gagi del tora tourism ma gagi del tora culture and historical. Kata tral misya skum sa mga turist nga mo tu tour guide. Makara mo tu tour ngira mo dangal balwam. Awun may gagi del wa ali pass program important. Agi ngungel adra state mo tour guide sits bil el logror sel blue amo tour guide. Maselbo adra siabal adra Miguel engagi del gigrir ad gigrir dil amo bantrir modo du girela a history makora a tradition tial blue. Patay blood relira blue rai. Ngal rai tour guide. Mga lo nga gidire linding loringa covid makatupar na stop. Dimlan muton makorok clouder. Lagi madem sim kloa o ura ar turist maran met mura pala el angal mura madaf. Epto askogin mo sweb. Unmal klo rere la PVA al special department tragay tama ay cycle. Lorab trical state mar governors. Edik meret al share misera a November ma December agi lisel program rakamal el tourism site assessment. Utilaw dar adadra officer gid el mom morigal role state with exception rason sorol matobi. Tamlo ames segel cultural historical site megel gora alomes sa governor sel state mising sala bol darsel mora mo tourism product ra state. Mar adada amlo legal sa 2 months emlo mregal ulia assessment report un mogador trigal governor may misig dagi mo mes in sabihin mo tokoy madakasin mo tokoy gagi da recommendation sir kamam. Governor naman very receptive. Last start taurior. Natria governor ay malig, mang esar, mang rard, of course orior, wablilium last start and bro ligagi del bregim recommend. Kumaram sing tegi del urel officer gita direkal luturing ar protocol state government direkal spe angis rawa marketing and promotion. Sige da mga adadang artiang isamriar gida del rogul adra belaw. Ele endradeng Ariar adro trara belanding tiang balwadam gire del gut maklin morsel purbab sabede ultra ringin dal sagat bu ultra kada promote the market ringin mora different okya karigit ya tara malungil program in kodor ulbesel duli na beginning ngari sel belaw o mal marathon se rapora idungam le alda adu niyan start sila 2018 2019 en goram loritial COVID mong losto bendi president tergida president wipser about Taiwan ni lilu til restart tra discussion ra marathon mga akmal ngartia museng mo tokoy mo ngira June 4 gida anticipate ngara 600 tel adal ngara Taiwan mendi sedi Taiwan diga de direct mla open ringin mora siabal ma Korea Australia lingania direct flights mong aday tayo la kung gusto ang mo nga 400 talada mla register online di siya dakal include ra cook local mong segit sel cook ay gigi dagel gim dakal obreo lo bitira Palau Track and Field Association PNOC Chinese Taipei Road Running Association at Taiwan and Motmok ele tiang aso droban mo signature event tergit one regel sel every year ang toka tourist and may attend ring SSLMA top to 3 other did not translate to although the infuser at sel economy rigid mahura di maran hindi ka to stop dire kal malo spe ergaul trigal okya rigid misali tia dil ko klela PVA tourist tia ko klela ro sel tigi nga ma tourism is everybody's business sige dagim ko to ringi awro lo 3 tol partner gid makapalment rigid.
You guys are good. You guys are good. Como sulang ni vum da suluaseng important do suluaseng ngara kom plan ngara kom rule how to get there. I've never met such a young smart group of people. Honest, you know what you want to do and you are doing it accordingly. Ma kung da suatara important promote niya a director. Uspera other way around muna ganurior. Basically that nga kot pensioner other kahit to Adra ngot rule meuriol mergit. You know? Mesin Deborah, this is the biggest thing in this island nation, tourism. Mang sil dom of kami ang forefront, I say kudos to you guys. Good job. Len sumukam na maruringi to the point tem na mo passion na o simiul girel. That's the job. Naka na moru ba sil kisaw mi redil aktyol toy ringi. And we never quit. Abela otro ngi redil when it comes to our mindset. Kung makarangi otro sige druldas o kung das you just did that. You continue doing what you're doing. Ako maral wasi kada milsang circle Maria ring tirgal adra PVA. Tiya loro ringa dia al saldi tora klagangoda. Once upon a time tiya mambiyak medangar eruldat 10 million merabdur bela tarrak. Nakamle one time kadra government makmadangi. PVA pump about $200 million a year. Di un makmleis kagel other questions. Nga niya Jaigaw report. Luwasi every $3 rat PVA's money. $1 lungwa foreigners. At $2.75 sa lungwa foreigners. At other belating ilo at 25 cents. I think he understand. Tiyan mo ruringi, we have katalam mo 50-50, but that's fine. We're going up front. Makumteer ka atara TMC kidelo okay ka tel blay meringa sulit ka akum daswe el alsil sig da namom dangel wasing tial tokora ka klakan ko dang sira almat itil ka mapay pam ni blakan di loader masira lingi mersia pandemika presidente Palau wasing da namo COVID free and dimlejian tourism from 5,000 to 7,000 a month. Quarterly. Yatang urse ka ngara 100,000 a year. Kudos to you guys. Man merenga sulen magado, merenga suliu rogoy.
Sulang.
Egel sa mamam ng kukrumu lang wakla el promote egel maybe natukol moru, so just communicate with us. Yagi ko special medium ka mam. Bruna again other means sa mam lola ko promote la tourism. Kuman sula rogoy. May the best comes with you. Say yes, to Special Kausischakl, woman sa urobon mas wilton